Nano Banana Pro is amazing.
This new Google model is editing photos so perfectly it feels like cheating. Nano Banana Pro might be the next big thing. My name is Ali and in this video I'm gonna show you Google's new image generation model Nano Banana Pro. So this is the updated version of the previous one, Nano Banana, which released like few months ago, but last night Google just dropped their updated new model and they call it Nano Banana Pro, and it is really better than the previous model. So the biggest update is the text. Now it is more accurate with the text. Texts are sharper and has more details. You can generate posters, mockups, and also diagrams. So here a few examples that this is the input image, and you can see that the text is accurate without any misspelling. So here, yeah, these are other mistakes. You see how sharp they are. And the good thing is that it can also handle text in a different fonts and in a different styles. So the next update is the knowledge. So because it is powered by Gemini and Gemini has access to all the information inside the internet, you can just give a prompt maybe on some topics, and based on that topic it can create for you visuals regarding to that topic. So as you can see, here is an example that they just gave a prompt to create an infographic style image based on how solar system works, and you see that it created this, and the text is also very good, and it also knows about how the solar system works, so it could just create this infographic very easily. So here is another example of infographic for cooking. You don't have to explain anymore to Nano Banana what are the ingredients, how the food is making. So you just say that create an infographic visuals, for example for a tea or whatever food it is, and it just created. It is also good with translating text. So here is another example, like in English and in different languages. Nano Banana Pro is also good with cinematic shot and high fidelity results. So here is another example of this. So this is our input image, and you see that we kind of shift our focus to our audience. So here is another example. The input image, like the focus is on the hand, and with the simple prompt they said that focus on man's hand and blur his face. So here's the result. It also gives you the power to play with color and lighting. So here is another example that you can change the color, you can change the lighting. Yeah, these are absolutely amazing. Another biggest feature that it has, and which I like it personally, so right now you can generate images up to 4K resolution. So you can just generate from 1K, 2K, and 4K resolution. So here just another example. Previously the first model, it didn't have this, so the resolution of the images or the quality was not so good, but with this one you can generate up to 4K resolution, and you can see here is the examples. There are two more left. So the first one is the aspect ratio. With the Pro version you can generate in any aspect ratio that you want. As you can see, here are the examples. And then last one is the subject or character consistency. So here we have 14 different characters that we have them all inside one single image without losing a single character. Alright, enough talking. Without doubt, Nano Banana Pro is the best image generation model in 2025. Alright, we are in n8n right now, and I just made these two workflows that we can use in order to generate new images or edit an existing image using Nano Banana Pro. So there are several ways in order to use Nano Banana Pro, but the most cost-effective one is KeyAI. So KeyAI is the platform that lets you access the best video, image, and music models in only one API. So basically you create your account, they give you one API key, and with that one API key you can get access to all the different models, like it can be video, sound, or maybe image. So yeah, we're gonna use KeyAI. Just go to their website and create your account, and the best part is that you don't have to just subscribe to any plan or commit to any plan. So you just top up your balance and they charge you based on your usage. So for example, you can charge your balance like for the minimum is $5, and you can start using Nano Banana Pro, and they will charge you based on your usage. So once you are in your account, just click on your profile, go to market, and from here just click on API key. So I already created an API key for myself, but if you don't have, just easily click on create API key and get yours. So once you get yours, all you have to do is to again go back to model market, and you will see Nano Banana Pro at the first, because this is the latest one. So just click on it. So there are two ways. You can just use Nano Banana Pro here in the playground. So you can just give your prompt here, or maybe add your image and generate it. Or you can use API, and you can just go through this, read the documentation, and see how you can send your request, and to be able to use it from n8n. But if you don't want to do that, just watch till the end of this video, and I'm going to tell you how we can download this template and just bring it to your n8n and start working. So here it's very simple. We have two form submissions. One of them is for text to image, where we just only give a prompt and generate an image, and the next one is an image to image. So this is an image editing. So we send an image and we send our prompt in order to make changes into our image. So first let's try this one, text to image. So here I have a form submission that if I click on execute workflow, it will pop up this form for me where it says Nano Banana Pro, and here we can give our prompt and we can choose our aspect ratio, and also we can choose our resolution. Yeah, I told you up to 4K we can do that. So let's just run through some demos. I'm gonna generate some images and I'll show you how the workflow works, and I'll also show you the results. So here we have this prompt, and let's choose our aspect ratio. I want this to be 16:9. This is kind of a YouTube format. So let's choose this one, and the resolution I want to be 4K. I want the maximum resolution. So now if I click submit, we will send our request to KI using Nano Banana Pro just to generate our image based on our prompt. And yeah, we will check whenever it is ready. We will get the result and we will just download it and upload it into our Google Drive. So I'm gonna pause this or put it on fast forward. So once it is done, I'm gonna get back to it and show you the result. All right, now it has been done. Our image has been generated and uploaded to our Google Drive. But before showing you the result, let me just show you what was my prompt. So then we can also see the image. So I just said that a photo of a storefront called AI Modern Warfare. It sells automations. A poster on the window says subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, that was my prompt. So now let's just take a look at the image. So if you open here, we just downloaded using an HTTP node, and right after that we just uploaded it inside our Google Drive. So we can open here and click view, and yeah, that's the image. So let me zoom in, and you see how the accurate and good is the text, like on the banner, and also the text on the window, it says subscribe to my YouTube channel. So yeah, if you're seeing this, just hit that subscribe button under this video, so once I put a new video, you don't miss it. Yeah, that's the image. So yeah, the quality is perfect. So yeah, that's it. I think this place might be somewhere real in the real world, but anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you the results. So the text is perfect and everything else is perfect. Yeah, so we uploaded this into our Google Drive, and by the way, you see as I zoom in, the quality never drops because we just did it in 4K, and yeah, that's the beauty of 4K resolution. All right, let's run another example showing you some kind of infographic. So let's just hit that execute workflow again, and for the prompt, I just wanted to generate an image like an infographic about how human heart is working. So let's just put that prompt here. All right, so yeah, here's the prompt. I'm just saying that create an image in style of infographics about how human heart works. So yeah, aspect ratio, let's just again keep it on the YouTube size, like 16:9, and the resolution again 4K because we want the maximum high quality. So yeah, let's just click submit and go back here and wait for our image to be generated. All right, so now our image has been generated, but this one took almost 5 minutes to generate. So be aware of that. Based on your text and based on your inputs, like your resolution, your aspect ratio, it might take a little bit longer to generate that image, but I'm sure that it will give you a high quality image. And also it can be because of that, like so many people now are using, because it just dropped like yesterday, last night, and now it's kind of hype. So everyone is rushing, like everyone using API, and the APIs are overwhelming. So yeah, maybe KI cannot handle so many requests. That's why, because I just noticed that once you send a request, it puts you on a waiting list. So like after 1 minute, it generates the image. So yeah, just remember it might take some time. So yeah, our image has been generated and we uploaded this into our Google Drive. So now this time let's open our Google Drive and try to see that image in our folder. So let's just click here. All right, yeah, so it says how the human heart works, a circulatory cycle. Yeah, I mean the visual is very good, and I think the text has no misspelling. Everything is correct. Oxygenation, yeah, I mean everything is correct. And you see, this is very simple prompt. So if you add more to, like, if you add more context to your prompt, maybe you can have another like visuals, like in infographics. But overall, this is very good. It like used to like take so much time to just generate these kind of images, or maybe you want to just create it by yourself. But right now, with only a prompt, you can just generate this high quality image. And again, this is 4K. So as you zoom, the quality, of course, if you zoom like too much, yeah, the quality drops. But yeah, again, this one has a very high quality. Yeah, this is 4K. I mean, to compare it to the like last version, this has the best quality. All right, now it's time to use the image to image workflow, where we upload an image in order to edit it and like maybe remove something, or maybe add something, or maybe change the style. So here we have the same workflow, but this time, instead of only having a prompt, we have the field which we can just upload our image. So let's just execute the workflow. And again, yeah, we have the same form. So we have prompt, aspect ratio, resolution, and here we can add multiple image or maybe single image. So let's choose an image. So yeah, I uploaded this image, which is an image of a girl. I'm gonna show you later how it looks like. But let's just choose a resolution. Again, I want 4K, and the aspect ratio, I want 9:16. This is like a vertical, like the TikTok or Instagram format. And I want to say that turn this image into a GTA style. All right, so here is the prompt. We are just saying that turn this image into a GTA style, aspect ratio and 4K resolution, and this is our image. So let's click submit. And yeah, our form is getting submitted now. And first we need to upload that image into our Google Drive in order to get the public URL for that image. And then once we upload, it will give us the public URL. So now we can send it to Key AI. Okay, now it has started to generating, because if we open it, you see that state is generating, but it takes time to generate. So let's wait. I'm gonna skip it, and once it is done, I'm gonna get back to it and show you the result. All right, now our image has been generated. Now we are downloading it, and after that we will upload it. So let it finish and I'll show you the result. Yeah, okay, now it finished, and we just uploaded into our Google Drive. So let's just open it from here because it's much easier, and view this one. And I think you are surprised exactly like me. So yeah, this is the image that we got, but let me also show you what was the original image. So original image, we can find it always from our first node. So yeah, here is the schema, and here's the binary. Binary is it means that it is a file. So this is the image that I uploaded into our file, and I told Nano Banana Pro to just change this image into a GTA style, and this is what we got. Just look at it and see how amazing is this edit. And even though it added this GTA logo here at the bottom, so you can just tell that no visuals, no logo, no text, anything. So it will skip it and it will follow exactly your prompt. But yeah, you see that this is very good and high quality image. Also, it is again 4K. So just imagine how good images that you can create using this super powerful AI model. Alright guys, that's it for this video. You see how powerful is Nano Banana Pro, and it is absolutely crushing it right now. Everyone is talking about it, and you see how good is the results. So just go try it for yourself, and if you want to download this template for yourself just to bring it to your n8n and start working with it, there is a link down in the description. Just head over to that link. It's gonna be my school community where you can access to all of my templates that I have created and showed you on my YouTube channel. So by the time that you are watching, either our school community is created and published, so you can come and join, or maybe there is a link to our waitlist. So you will come to this page, just scroll down until you see join the waitlist, just click on it, put your name, put your email, and tell me what do you want to learn or build with AI, so it will help me to create a better community just for you. Yeah, put your message here and click to join the waitlist, and you will automatically be added to my waitlist, and you will be given a link. So if you share that link with someone else and bring them also to our waiting list or to our community, so you will rank higher and you will get access sooner than anyone else to the community. Yeah, so just go there. Either there's a direct link to community, or there is a link to the waitlist. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found value and you enjoyed it. Just if you did, give it a like. It really helps me to show this video to more people like you. And you see how powerful is Nano Banana Pro. So there are hundreds of ways that you can use this system and to be able to generate an income for yourself, maybe sell some products around this. So yeah, definitely check out the link in the description if you are serious about AI and making money. Join the community, meet me there. We're gonna have weekly live calls where we can jump on a call and share ideas, troubleshoot problems. If you have any problems with your workflows, then you will get the direct access to my calendar, so you can book a time and we can work together. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. If you have anything to say, just put it down in the comment section. I'll be reading them and answering them as soon as possible. See you in the next video.